What is going on with the network? Okay, my sister, thank you. Una good evening, my brothers and sisters then from Untouchable Mama. Because the network not good. I don't know what they worry am. But today, na know say na Benin now always they speak, because na my Benin people now I want talk to. So if una not dey hear me, now let me know because I don't know the network just dey misbehave anyhow today. Wetin no hemi ha gwa kare na ekpare epaira no migo me Untouchable Mama kata ina we set it here bonu epa gele yet it here bonu cause u die mo dun amako ko me very oni ate bonu no wan epa eni megere no de e video when ni megere no de oh eri daya we mi epa la wo eri daya u ni ka to we ne kedo to redion eri daya u ato uwa hene uwa mu gogogo epa u die mo dun uwa hene nuwa mu gogogo eri daya u awawa no matter uwa mo ma gba me gbezo uheni umati omani nu ha mewe enena nu ha una yo bojo ewe imari egbejo wa we o se zo ni ma we una wa live video rude di onu sage epa gbere iwe pa o da me ni emane no ma so tu we yan aro viewe ni meje mekwe ikwe no ovio hani die no tie bo me o si e iwa eko dolu ni memeji e ma ni ka bo yen me yan eme even ni mesi mi ona ye no gun me gwan ni we ni ma like all touch me because ultimate no dion me na we me se me era nu me wa ni me gwan ni ya gun iwa eko wa ewe iwa aroma ni ipa no wa bude dion ladian we e dion we na support a governor anybody na do rigo beri na rigo or in time o ma mu ene ijene o we get okay we no taje bo eli khai we no taje ana we na support a governor gima any dateta de governor gima dinyama any dateta o le se yen ma o si e una wa ru de di ona wa ladian we for 120 epa yeti tie weni we pa ha ya tie we bete nu we wu epa ibi ka ya ro yo ma la wo elida u veri oni elida o count 1 to 10 okay we mi pa elida count 1 to 10 when I ya bi di o ka te ya ni una be ya fi poge wo kan epa la wo la o egime no Untouchable Mama egime do aro we ima we de la wo because ya we gbega ya bonye nedo epa la o ime mi we emi ya fefe no we wata we no de e concern awo ya we owo ma na amo ma ne o ma ni na we mi kere agbada wa mi we ri la ma ni o ri la ho bo ki o viedo ma ya hin de ke ma le gberie apare we bonare do ni ma yeverie do ni ma ya jeverie boze ni mana treat gbe ma bad ma give ye wo we yen jeverie o boze na me we ma ni vie do mama love gbe ma uheni me video o ma tie bo eni if we the other video when me wa we lelu we no ha we wa ge e follow age di ono sage na you can't type before o ma no ka da me ya di o me before me ni me lelu we ri me lele dion man understand when me wale luwe because o ma no like him no mind making emi no where many people like him but your character emma la wo imati e bonu e bet odion na we mi obo kana dege we no odion ni we ma okay ota man eri odion meji o bege we no wo kan wo oti ota man we na no na fi we ri e ma e pa no we is very bad is very very bad e jono sage ona ga obi ju we ne kere mu oga obi ju we ne kere anemi yan we talo me no we khare ya me na megbo wari we wa khare ya ma so pa e ona mo wo ma ne o ma ni na wa e ko ona ne un khere sefi ke mi ya be na ya bi o we gbe wa do ran ya wa e pa ile da we ri oni many people only ate dey buy a PFM we but because of you e ma ni ma oni ate ba because of enu yawu ema elida uverioni a wo baseki o ladin o be do o do avenu ya tie bo no be do uverioni but o ma we verioni o ma uverioni because a leader no a leader can't okay we mi a leader ne control tempage eti we leader eti kokoma e pa matter when I tinye no then now you gotta watch a video ni ina we pa do your una block me ye be mi ati ewe I don't care iye te mi ata iwa gwan me audio me o ma na we mi e pa una mi o ma we mi no ma gba uti e menu wa evaje wa evani ima manivie do ana wo wa evani o wa we la dia no we do we en ha do le doji ima vio boju wa yeke but why you e pa was on na jealous e dion why edi ora we mi ona teme no magba when I say no wine asopi oba eromo o ma keke nu we ti obi ohani we dion no matter we nu ga explain ne eneni o live video we egume won wuri yo bogbera o ya we edi o ma de stupid o kama we iye wa time eri oni edi o ozuo o be ta we ye mani dige governor ni ya we charity ogiyen epa emi ya no we ta no de ya we gbe total watch that video watch eri no wa ya behave pa o ma atama we pa you do it well iya okay a PFM we o wa de na me dey tell you because many people wa le here ma oni adeba many ma oni adeba who wa ti e bono ma ti e no wa pa e behave very oni e no wa very oni all your higher me a fool. In your faith anyway, live video better there in our batty. In our batty now where in our batty or get here bono. None your di me. All damn your hand of no wine. It won't monama coco no better power women I yat bono way. Guio yitama way better matter no. Women I yat bono. When I do where was you or I do or a bat or ladia. Obedo tia bono. Emma. Dion, I buy a woman when not Dion will give a bad draw too. Aka what me ya fe o wo kan o ye do o wi gbono we don't even care o no ga o ye kalaba no no care nobody no eke no wo kan kere e pa nu ga we ga wo mai e nu we ai we ya ga we o dan we e wo mai if I live video in ya fe ni we live video no mai tie bonu e okokpa we no mai tie bonu we okokpa is very bad pa. Is very very bad. When we watch a video ni, the other video no carry no na where Obaseki ma o ma edion. Uka go be de uka go be live video Obaseki ma o. Don't know akwa o no Obaseki. Ige video ni na wa na we pana na we o bia na change there. Una wa go we o ma o. But I don't even bloody care. Oni maka we. But ono na we wa we no there na beg I no fit speak English my sister na me Benin people I want talk to. Ono na nuwe wa una pa no la wo o ma na fi were pa omo mo ibie ka no de no 10 years no 15 years in do ya we wa which is very bad my pa la wo fi were unyiwe no deni is very very bad e jo ke o ma na koko imota e jo akoke egbe awa koke omo na koko no de omo na koko na wo ma we any anybody no we live video no when we ya drop a lady person ya la o epa la wo 4120 4199 who care o kono ga 41 do ma no e na dia wo fi yego me dem wa ni ye awu me ya wu ma gba ni ye ma gba ne do ono na o ma ne gba ni ye do na ono na aha maseme gbe aha o ha maseme na o ha we no pa na epa what is all this wo wa gbe tv live video we wa no epa o ho nu we live video no ya tie bon me ibe reply we be die mata e watama we na o ho dinya ni pa na atama we epa do an we epa ma we se motama we uma we se when why nani as a senior tie dion wa ha wi na le governor ya challenge we bo e dion ga iwere gbe ye we no problem I go do am ana eme we dion gele we because mani re na my house wo e ti ma colleague of the tree ma na ha re joba se kino ya don le doji igi ma wa ye gedegbe bo wa e ba no na we just ha ma dion we na we na una wa ladian we na ya bio we ni ra ya we no pa we ni ja ya we no pa we no ha ya pa do ma no ma emi no ma lagbon fo no giarwa o we ata women no mo kan ya kpasi a o se no kan na kpasi a epa o wo no bia mo dio no we yon go we wa be de na ha o wo no bia mo dio no we yon go we wa be de na wala wo ave no wa una which is very bad epa many things wa ro ni awa tamawe which is very bad a problem mema andu wa bo ma na megbezo so a private issue oge si ai wo wa si ai no matter ro we no de emi ro pa ro we ma yunu kan no de then not your need to call if you we because oi bungbe pa o bungbe se boy na e kun si ai ijo sa boy ya mi awe si ai ge wo ge ora we mi no ma ke assassine o tie o merete no ya tie wa ya ha me we na na we gbe we e na na we no ya we na o ma dejo why di agbonya ya fefe ni we live video why di senior no ro wo di agbonya when we je you are my father but many rather no when every many una we no ma ke ha ma we daddy na no na ma gba before ma be do tie bonu because I na tie bonu we all di me e pa mi no we no de ni ma na ma ke we na ma ke o we e di ono sa ge wa we for 19 no for 120 no we don't bloody care I no go for 100 o ma be oni ya we na ya biozu abioji because we abiozu o emi no ro wa mu wa o ya mu o mu ari o mu o ya hin e wo wa abioji o irawo o mu adiogwa wetin we sunu me boy na wo we pa o wa tie no o ma wa ni be to be o ma wa call you we ana mi ye no gu we go wa tie FBI e pagume ha ma we FBI yan na we FBI dinya lega we America e Europe ni imagine when abu carabinieri ke kan police ya wo ha ya report o ma man when evidence no ye gbagara yen lele we ni we wa ya po FBI nenemi FBI wetin FBI yan rioma FBI rioma what dey for America we not dey for Europe Europe ko e masene na America self Europe ma na o mass America ebe we na bareta o ma wa gu we gun who investigate nenemi e padu investigate una private investigate me come be no rob the Europe na imagine without a judge ma give you a go ahead you don't have right no investigator ma even a law khere be imagine without a judge ma sign a paper no you don't have that right una we wa mi illegal you will be in prison for it ou geranjo me pe na be we bo pe ni keta e no de la e nedia e lo no wa mu memu dia be ni wa hon gidigba wa gu we gwa kere ebia wetin ebia yan ne ge we ato agbode atemata e mata ma we na tinye they don't have your time ya pupa kon ya threaten them ya ha mema we you ha we I will investigate you then we investigate you don't investigate on anybody we investigate in anybody we investigate we one judge sign no you can investigate or that okay ma ve forget about that one pa na ke America na ke Europe no ya mass America ya bie so oni so wa gwa egba we ti agwa be JJC no dare gwa emani manage no pe na ewo Italy product me wa hin Italy product ma understand so wa tell you so gbe say wa ge ri han ti FBI no na ri FBI do e carabinieri we na ti e ke kan ya ha ma we ke cosa ya ke do pa ye ke no we je ke cosa successo e be ni akari ge judge ha ta we na mo ma ni giyan enwe wa ya ka be ma na FBI o gboyi I will call FBI nenemi I will gbadi yan we America o because imagine wa ge ni yan because e ma na aji yan pupa come ma na e gwada di financer no re ma na we wa body wu ha bo gada di financer oh we ya ti gwada di financer no ma wa we yan me time they have your time they don't have your time wa chu wa ma we nenemi wa threaten e ru wa we no pa e pa mind your business mind your business behave no wa ya behave one momo na be we at least someone no igbere 50 years in because I don't know your age e can me na igbere 14 we be igbere 15 so e pa behave as a no wine ni bia kan ya we ya pupa kon live video you understand ya we ya pupa kon which is very bad woman have change e ya we ya pupa kon na ire oya we wa no pare oya we wa awe fia gogo yo wa a we ti e bonu atu asenya we ba onu we gwa lo change the way we no ya we mi do we awo wo ma mama na ya mwebo no to gbo ma we no den we ya we live video no we wo radio no sa geni na ma ke on we wa te je no sa ge for 100 no ga for 1000 me mi ma no la dia boldly wala dia wo we prove we ge igo ni ya we je no sa gbegba ya do ke na hion fi yen wetin unu na ya ri ama wa ori eri gba wa ri ya wa kwere but etu wa aseti o onyo wa di no ki wona zeta ta azeta e bi agwale hian nene mi gwale hian oji no eri no pa no di on sagere de na wo ye le ko wo hian so e pala wo me ma o ne di on la di an no because e di on e ne ge no ya la di an no be do yan do reply we self e me ge oni ya like boy ni e reply emi bunu ya like di on many people ya ta we wa ge rude charity no e ru don yo pa be no ya behave e me ge o my will live video one day no we rudar won pa yan na ladi an do ata I like a boy ni because o ma no de o ma na koko ya en we agele koke era ni je yan agele koke you will never see Dion o ga me no be na wari ame ni wari ani Dion I wa la de gbe I me to ge me wa we bete Dion e je veri oni o wa ko wa o ye na me we unu na yari ya ma ga doloji o tani eke ihun pe kwa be gbe ere what be all that what be all that pa change you mana change e bia ka ro be we mota ma we then go they cost you anyhow na reality no pa reality no udo yi hane udo hie no wa ni bia ka ya gbe bolu udo hie no wa ni what they call you osas white go you say me I go sleep you dey craze your head not correct I call you for here me call you wana si ame no gba do no wa bege mi o heke no wa ata when a paya behave a pana weather we like on weather visual wa like all at all what your body you go can no ma pa eva what it concern the woman we marry we do marry what it dey worry you I not call you for here may you just package yourself go one corner Uri you na very go can no ma pa eva o wi gbono o wi o nemi no o wi no pa no who ask you Epa when we have no deni ish well very bad very bad enu ta we wa re di on ka me e follow are when me wa follow we me follow e di on ka be ta ba ka ta ere no pe when you follow we follow e di on wa we mi o ma mi we ru de mi no ni ri like iba do gbegwe we nu igbegwe nu pa e nu we no that is very bad e no why behave very only e no why we ri only you behave well behave sepa egioma tama we onuare live video ni do we PLPF carry on you are doing it well ibia ka ya robi ewe wa carry on very oni ya ti ebonu ni ya ti ebonu no ma say eje last one of we all at the end robi ewe what be on that one wa like very what continue therefore Dion we Obaseki we ya mi Obaseki my brother now you get yourself because me right in atama we am your baseki or name no but all project in my brother me I just tell you face your charity face your foundation nobody no rema na no ha support we na ya dole doniji mo wata nobody will support because man e go we no ba mo vien ma wa me go we no ba wa mo vien then yana mu gi male many people not aro not away just I go support but yana mu gi male ima suffer be manama hunima so that one ni ore nu we wa ta be no deni Dion so oni wa pakeye kan pa wa mofuwa du kwa gbon yo to wa nyangari efuwa nobody no support oni una e mana ro na support na mere charity we just we go support I don't know my brother I don't know if Dion followed governor what is the map problem I don't know what it be problem because you know say no like Obaseki so as you no like Obaseki now so na me can they do like that gbogbo because all the governor wey we get for Benin because they no good any see I understand say may you not go there if you go there why you go need no matter donate re Obaseki ya we negbe of course I understand that but Dion man dey stupid Dion we ya wa move we ke no Obaseki je charity o wa ari oto because e mai yo na because ma wa nego okay ke na fight yan ni amugi maladian na ya adole we maji e mani ready am do adole we maji ma ti adole ji in another way ma ti dole ji in another way what do they call you sas sas white na God na go punish your generation. I no call you for you, me call you I call you if I boy fear kun lele we me ti we be mana uju nwe gba bana mere e no ma pa eva amu jo wo hu what you worry this one you hear say I cause a parent amigo I no cause am he behavior no good I go tell am if you like make you die if you want die osas white if you want die make you die I no cause am I don fit talk am say I no fit cause a parent amigo but if you do something wey no good I go tell am if you still do wetin no good una remember that time where I do audio I don't know whether una don watch am una go see my YouTube I still talk to you I no dey fear anybody if person dey do something wey no good I go tell am just say okay for example make we just talk and say okay if maybe we wan support our governor the boy not talk say make we come support our governor wetin be other one wọ́n ní àwọn mi wọ́n ní bẹ́sẹ̀ náà gbọ́n máa bá wọ́n ní máa sẹ́ náà gbọ́n máa bá nìyà unu no máa yà gbọ́n kẹ́kàn àgọ́ blọ́kàn unu no máa yà gbọ́n kẹ́kàn wọ́n ní bẹ́sẹ̀ náà gbọ́n máa bá náà wá tẹ̀ ní gbọ́n máa bá udo ha mama wẹ́ rí ọ̀bọ̀ kan wẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ wẹ́ àyè rí ọ̀nà pàdé wọ́n ní àdèmú ọ̀sásù white wọ́n ní àdèmú Oni name no demo wa temata wa gima ni do wa gima temata ma dere mata wa gima ta we no ya gwe dion go me live video ni ora ma okay me le dion je na dion wie wo we no dion wie don no o wie se me no we beje ase no wan hi me yeta hi me si agba da nu ya ta you are o mwe fon o tie we dion video no ni e yo bojo o hona me wu we no ga so ni we oh gbe message ge e your bonjour because really igwere we bo na eti ma kole ima nwina ai nwina ne ade ado we na muge obaseki omni magba edu ene we betu benu we ya we don de no oga obi jime edi ohin mo ta ma we ibo ale we live video igele ya ija we no ke ya we bet epa it's enough la wo fi weriye ne ma mieke na because ema no le lu we ema no wale le we the PFM ni o we lele di ono sagie o wa we lele because many people like him normal what's the manager we oni here why we di on 419 no 4120 epa okay then we ni mati we dem we na ti we e di oga 4120 4125 okay good then we when might you way wetin be all this e no wa se mi go awade na gemi ati ne ni go na ta donate o ama o yere wa ta we me no taje se o sare gba ma ba o be se gba ma ba ji ya me no taje ma be se gba ma ba pa o sas you are block oni be sa gba ma ba pa o ma sa gba ma ba o ma sa gba ma ba na e we ba be na ne pisi are ya ne pisi aro wetin ne pisi aro me ni meje meti oni me de ba da PFM beti ma de ba be nu jawu itoge ma we even nu jawu maleke pa ma when we man change a PFM ni o ma me wa call man we you join PFM what here we no there what here what we ati ya no re bana no re Germany we don't support a PFM ya only now we are never support with money Bona okay imagine ya ta mani bi edo akugbe se ti aro akugbe olowo ke aro o wa lo ke aro because mama love egbima ha ma se megbe yo na ama na o dete boy ni gele ne di on wa teme na anyo na gele miewe o gele do na anyo orio bojo e ba ni we hana challenge we dion e na nu na we mani rewe botinya koligo we boa wa na we ni amigo ni ha mu ade we wa emigo ni go no waru we wa enwo e we wa enwo e pa e we na wa ladian aka dion aka this epa ime yimi we ime do yimi we ime wa do yimi we we nu jawu emma egi bia karo we egi bia karo we ovi ohan we mi no ma gba tie tamae o ma onu tie gbe message ge kamewe no call iwe gwegun gwegun we na no na e ri o keke no raje nu we no deni nu we no deni is very bad ya we gbe ya bonye nedo ovi edo we hin o ma na we gbe we like tenata no ge we moso o ma na we gbe we you will like it aga na worry again na sunu we get ni what here we blessing me we la die be defend you we me we audio we ya we defend you we so emi go ana emi go why ga mu gbagbagba ma na mi agbonte iye we ru da we eko we e carry eri da dion o si ona la dia me no then but is very bad ibi e ka ya mi o ma fo unless we umake we ni ati e bonu we he be me no ja o ge o di me anybody na la dia ba ona do ati e bonu we ona ni o da me because me ona we da me because of your heart e bo me o da me o di me we abo na hwe no sense na me na ro bi no se me of your hand na do ati e bonu me he wa try no wa make a peace me wu we ma we make a peace pa me wa oni again e on America o ga gwa le phone number we o ga gwa le phone anu wa e we di o ga gwa le phone number we pa wa e if ma me di o we gun na da me di on la wo my brother akugbo e ti o we do my ya wa America try no call e pa make pics with obiana e ba na ri ye ona geleri ye but o say ani o time live video we e gwa le phone number we wa gwa le phone number we o ga no way ni kama we pa no way no ko geleri ye ba be ko when we home because everywhere ma home if you remember we nya mosto nya home we di on we live video o gwa le phone number we o call e we a my son e ba ni na e o ma na no bi anya wo bi aje me no dere o ma na eri mi je ko e ba ni na o ma eri mi je ko because we bo ani mu wene we ho wo yin gwale no ba we ma wonu we tie we my son we mi ya je yon ra gwalo me no you don't do that because we ma gwale na anything di ono say your money dey life we be no dey yan to na ladian e boy na ga ma na me character o me ladian me wo ge de ne ya ga nyon o ga ton awe he ye do yan me so e pa la wo I mare do tie bonu be to wa we tie bonu take care very on but for me ma tie bonu is my advice change even we behave it's not o ma dejo at all la wo yo saba yen we wa woman onu make a peace with a dion but I pray one day o saba touch we mind we nu ya make a peace with a boy na because o ma me no ona be dey wrong pa uru me right no ya ka me we na no na o ma dejo fear we ye e dion ma very oni o e ha ma we okay yen ho what if one de ke ma legberie anya ke na legberie ma ke ma pa banya meri owa Nigeria meri edo ni ma mo se mi egbebo ama mi egbebe o ring road ni am egbebe ring road awa mi ona wa hate video no we no deni yes nene mi yes awa dangele no pa no okay no pa me na le lad awa be na le lad ave we pa o madam no nene mi no oviedo o me se ti gba ne do o loro o wa loro o me se ti gba ne do o wa loro because mama like gbima ma ba wa pretend ma pretend igberi ma like gbima o wie we iwe mi weti ti enu ta ma we na iwe o adi ye ho e pa wo wari on e wari ye na ye ho e ma o bia for that matter o hu o we we ya we pa o hu e o pe ya nene di on wi je we no je be joni on wi ya mi oba sekinu we na wa agogo na wa agogo we wa agogo sef we o te won hen yen nene mi ko me be di we wa agogo wo e ma e ya wu o ka kenu gbon wo u kweta wo ba seki no na wi ma e di on e do ni u gbon ine we no ya ta wo ma be he pa na wa we na agogo jo wo wi ma ho They don't need them. They don't need them. We will like the next day. We don't know you. We feel beg your hand. Now, if I oh when or one man feel beg you, we are like it. We like it. Only a job with begging a honey. We like it. I beg, boy. Now small thing I say me I just TikTok today. I not fit talk because all this my Benin people if you don't now here je headache ya worry over. We not like ourselves. We too hate ourselves. My hate be magbe. Ma wa pretend di ma like egbe ma mama ba like ona wa semi go never no hana do won we di ma gele like egbe ma o wa semi go wa do hen we just mama gele like egbe ma iba nu we hana wa hen we mama ma ni vie do mama like egbe ma o vie do ni wa we o ti gbo e wa ba mi go ona wa ta we go no o wa gbo a e dey ga o yeke I bet my brothers and sisters then. Now small thing I still get me I talk igbeyawo me that came winare but see now we just you only go tomorrow is my free day. Tomorrow I will talk about what they call am monkey face no monkey face. Be like say don dey change tomorrow now go talk about I no want me I talk today. So epa fiwerie now oviedo ehuhi. When I have a live video you are the senior. Ejono sage oweno wa well ele owo wo leti bi egbomo me no you no don sage je nweta mawe we make no wi we asere de na hwe o make no we ha hia la de na hwe o make no we a wo wa hwe so veni meje jo mo me hi ijo e boy say ha e meme mother say make ni imi ha hia la de na hwe so even ne parents you gbeso ya affect mo bo vi de agari de ne oja affect yan if allow wo change the way no yawo change it as a leader before okay lose your temper I can't a leader self o no lose temper re o ma keke because uwe vie ma hian abe man uwe vie hani iya hu we ya we mi iya ge we ya we mi eri elidi ma o wa mi eri mania una we mi enu we uni o we ne kero be do we when I have we ogwe be no denia so ave man we vio hian ye ya ge we ya o veri oni e my pa so for genocide game my brother when we enime ya like we obun emi ya ne ya like we obun irrespect no many iye tai o my we live video one day no wa that won balance yan o do ati ebo no mani I respect you for that you are respect you well because e imagine no men na set ya bio many things oga men no ya losing it all but continue like that oba say ki wa wo ya me good but face your foundation la wo my brother face your foundation face it because nobody be we bomb na no ha do donate when I ya don le doji my do nobody no we oga tinya mawo wa we governor gi manya wa gele we better thing o my work I go help bet yen wa mu gi ma pa yen mo ade Europe wa se Swiss yan mo bonjo yan wa ya load gi ma ye ba ni abe Dubai yan ya load ye ba ni ma me igoro ni igoro so mi na ma ha wo na fighting yan igoro ni alu eye wo every man that is not the thing oye wa no because wa face your benu wa be charity we ni wa mi ma no amegbe no ho mi na be re la dia o ma ne ho e soft no be no ne me do be where o ma na e only help o be help that is okay my brother ma be oni e kwa wo we hia iwa even any only why many things ni why I like you because who they educated that is many ya tie oloho wa mi edion won do ona wa la dia ona wa do ati e bon no but a para no mi go na ni which is very bad a leader o ma ke no we ri oni pa wa vie ma hian because abe man we vio hian me ya re we I go do area ya lead pa sorry to say area ya lead ma me we wa gbi na jini o ga be eyan ni rigi mani most of us ma ya fe no ma like ero but emi do aro no we ugbesun do ya wa we wa do we ni here u do ya wa emma continue ave do ni benu ya fighting yan and I got threatening normal with FBI I go I go call FBI for you. Nobody. Or FBI Rioma. Or mama ni maje yake. They don't eat anybody because in yakwe be mega safe. They don't have time for nonsense. We watching ya. Onu ame for no bian. They don't care. Eh? Oga na we when Italy manager no, they don't care. Me we what police. Rudana wa gun egun what police ne. What nonsense. One when nonsense in ya make better time. They don't have that time. Em no serious enya gwanji. Rubbish. Enya gwan rubbish. So that is that. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is my free day. No work tomorrow. So we will talk about maybe some other thing. So not even know Danny why watch you know what touch him now we are go pa go because epa of working or twerking wa take very on you why when ni time west enata no o ma heke no la dia very odo we no do tie bonedio o ma serve on at all my serve on utie we na igore we bo don't try it or we here baba I just say maybe me notage enye ya ha be notage enye ma wiyan we be notage eri ebo ni beta ma beta we me we come donate o we be notage me be dame yo we be notage so ruda wu ka hete ene wa do mi tun ne we ota wu ha wa do gbe wa de gain no ami wo nti e fon 120 de gain no gain pa. So from Untouchable Mama, I see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my blessed people. My network not good, so no music to end. I tell you, what in here? What here? I mean, my ya end. Quite bonny. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is my free day. I will talk to you people. One love. Wagima love vegbima. Manivie do. Wagima love vegbima. Nivie maveni a jealousy ma. Any man do am also na mo boze do ya guvie do gun ayo ni azebo we wa geti wazebo ye ti be pe live ba ni bet ima o ne ba evie wo ve ni ando hem ni ta evie do me oni gugun also cause me so we speak English I no want me speak English we no gumeze do we han ze do amaze wo ma ge ba we no awi so do me ori eri emegbe. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy Sunday again. Bye.